You're so cool. Hey, ha 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 ha. You're so cool. Hey, ha 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 ha. It's a double second word occasion. It's another kind of conversation. The talk is cheap in every sentence. It's a tip toward fornication. So I love how you lick your lips, bite your lip, hand on your hip. You're so quick to pass judgment. Ha 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 ha.